Zoology is an excellent course for students because they can have a broad palette of ecology, behaviour, and then the fundamentals of zoology, which is animal physiology, anatomy, genetics, or they can tailor their degree, focus more on the behavioural units or more on the ecology if they want to become ecological consultants. We have a purpose-built science centre for them, and we also have 5 other labs that they can use. We have strong links with Cambridge University and the Zoology department there. We work with the Cambridge Conservation Forum, and students can also go to lectures in the Sir David Attenborough building. And we have links with the Zoological Museum and the Paleontology Museum where students can volunteer.
So studying zoology can definitely help you in your career in terms of setting you up of where you might want to go. There's a lot of different things that you get to try, I would say, in terms of you've got the conservation side of things, the ecology side, but you've also got the harder sciences if you wanted to go into lab work, for example. It's given me a better view of the things that I could possibly do.
So the zoology course is accredited by the Royal Society of Biology. This means that students are able to have membership, student membership of it. Because it's an accredited degree, it means it has to reach a high level as well. We have authentic assessments. These are all industry related, so that students can actually go to interview and say, yes, I have done a phase 1 habitat survey, I have supplied a conservation plan for this organisation, so that they are set up straight away for careers out in the wide world. We also have live briefs, so we're working with conservation organisations and they work in groups to put together a plan for that organisation, and they will present it. We also have placement years, which are really important. We've had students going to Africa, Indonesia, Borneo, the Arctic. Careers for zoologists are varied and vast. We have students that are presently working in the forestry industry, looking at trees and diseases. We have them as ecological consultants. We have them as animal behaviourists. They work in rewilding, rehabilitation. So thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video about the BSc Honours in Zoology at Anglia Ruskin University, and we really hope to see you soon on this amazing degree.